Hi, I'm Carrie and welcome back to Utopia Clivias. Today we're talking about something that's very important and every breeder needs to know about. How to feed your plants properly and how to prevent pests and diseases. This is one of the crucial steps of taking care of your clivias. For feeding our clivias, we use 2 liquid slow-release fertilizers from Gold Sweet, Calbud and Response 1. Both products are highly concentrated and fully water dispersible. Calbud contains calcium, zinc, nitrogen, magnesium and a range of trace elements. It boosts pollination, strengthens growth and supports flowering. We will use 25 milliliters in 5 liters of water. Response 1 contains macro and micronutrients plus kelp extract. It improves root health, accelerates seedling growth and helps plants handle stress. We will use 25 milliliters in 5 liters of water. Along with feeding, pest and disease prevention is crucial. For pest and disease prevention, we use Imidor for insects and Aureus for fungal problems. They're both systemic, giving long-lasting protection. Imidor, you will use 10 milliliters in 5 liters of water. In Aureus, you will use 5 milliliters in 5 liters of water. We feed and treat our plants twice a year, once after flowering in November and again in May just before winter. We mix the fertilizer together with a systemic insecticide and fungicide to form a full-strength cocktail. We apply this cocktail as a soil drench directly into the soil of each pot. This allows the plant to absorb everything and keeps the nutrients active for up to 6 months. That's our full feeding and preventative care program here at Utopia Clivias. With the right feeding and preventative care, your clivias will reward you with stronger roots, healthier leaves and spectacular flowers every year. Thank you for watching.